Let's make an AeroPress version of the Long Black, a rich and creamy drink made with an espresso style concentrate and served over hot water. We'll use the AeroPress clear and flow control cap. We're also going to need the AeroPress filters, stirrer, scoop, a kettle, and if you want the best results, we're going to use a coffee grinder and a kitchen scale. First, heat your water to 201 degrees Fahrenheit or just off boil. Then weigh out and grind 18 grams of your favorite coffee, shooting for a very fine grind. Put the filter in your flow control cap and cap your AeroPress. Next, fill up your glass with hot water and load your coffee into the AeroPress. Put it on your mug and fill it with about 60 grams of hot water and stir. Let it sit for about 45 seconds and then press down on your AeroPress, letting that espresso style concentrate stream into your mug full of hot water. Once it's all done, enjoy a wonderful and creamy cup of coffee that is rich and perfectly balanced. Cheers.